Welcome to question 1 of the 2007 Mathematical Methods Exam 1. In this video we will be looking at the solutions and examination advice for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. So for question 1 we have f of x equals x cubed divided by sine of x, and we're asked to find f dashed of x, which is the derivative. So the first thing we can notice is that this is a function divided by another function, which means we can use the quotient rule for differentiation. So to apply that rule, we're going to let u be the top function, which will be x cubed, and v is going to be the function that's in the denominator, which is sine of x. Therefore, du dx is going to equal 3x squared, and dv dx is going to equal cosine of x. From the formula sheet we have the quotient rule, which is the derivative d dx of a function u divided by v, which is equal to v times du dx minus u times dv dx, all divided by v squared. Therefore, f dashed of x, the derivative for this question, is going to equal v times du dx, which is going to be sine of x times 3x squared, which we can write as 3x squared times sine of x. Subtract u times dv dx, which is x cubed times cos of x, all divided by v squared. And v squared is sine of x all squared, which mathematically we write as sine squared of x. So that is the derivative f dashed of x for this question. So from the examiner's report we can see that 62% of students got that answer correct. However, some students failed to gain both marks because they incorrectly factorised the expression. Students should be advised against proceeding what is explicitly asked for in the question. Students who attempted to use the product rule rather than the quotient rule often could not find the derivative of sine of x to the power of -1. And other incorrect responses included simply differentiating the numerator and denominator separately, or cancelling sine x, or adding the numerator terms instead of the subtraction that's required as part of the quotient rule.